Behold, thou art fair, my love. Thou as eyes of a dove, so beautiful, oh Lord. There is no fault in thee. Your sweeter than the scent of thy perfume. Oh Lord, your love has captured my heart. Behold, thou art fair, my love. Thou as eyes as a dove. Thou art beautiful, Lord. There is no fault in thee. Lord, your words fall like the dew on my thirsty soul. Thy love is better than wine, the sweetest word.